bloody recording. So are we on? Yep. So yeah, this is basically, not sure you can see my face. Yeah. You need to be in an angle or what? Yeah. The camera is a bit wonky. So basically, I got my package today of my new Razer. I hope so. Let me use the camera. Oh shit. Okay. Don't mind this. I hope I got this. It's, oh yeah, I'm gonna show you my first camera. Not camera, keyboard. And there you go. It's destroyed because I'm raging too much. So yeah, oh fuck. Let's rearrange this again. Yeah. So I put this in a tripod that my father has. So it's basically my webcam, but it's enough because it's basically 4K. It's enough for me. So yeah, now I need to find a. Didn't came prepared. I need to find a knife. Idiot. Such a cunt. I have no fucking scissors. Wait, where's my key? Shit. I hope this will do. Oh god. Kinda exciting because I bought the Razer. What was it? Razer Huntsman Elite? Yep. Yeah. But it's kinda cool because I ordered it in Germany and it's from Hong Kong. What the fuck? There's gonna be coronavirus here. Holy shit. Okay, let's open it. Just will be laughing about this. It's just a fucking scam. Come on. Open. Cunt. We're almost there. Sweating like hell already. Oh. Is it? Because there's only available in Germany the purple switches, and I ordered the red switches because it's silent. Okay, it is the red switches. Nice. Oh god, there's a big carton. So here. So this is the one that I'm getting. Sadly, it's not like a German setup keyboard. It's American because there's no German available, like a German layout, like the keys. There's no German version for the red PC, but now I can actually play faster. So it's Razer linear optical switches, so that's nice. So it's basically slightly faster. And what I like about this, it's made of, the casing is made of metal. Probably aluminum, but it's gonna be sleek. Okay, let's open it with my... Oh my god, my hair is... Oh my... Started good. Shit. Yep, this will be not a family-friendly video for sure, because I already know. Never was. My video never was a family-friendly. Because if it is, I'll stop saying bad words, but I'm in that age that I want to say it. So it's 2 years warranty, that's nice. Is it? Yep, Razer Synapse 3, so I can use it. So... Oh, look at that. Focus. It's not focusing. Yep, there. Look at that. Damn! Okay, so let's see. Another one. Can't even see my face. Lol. It's not even straight. What the hell? Okay. So I got some stickers. I'm gonna put in my backpack. Is there anything here? No. So what is this? Probably a code inside. So how do I claim my Razer coins? And okay, that's cool. So it has 2 cables for LED. That's nice. So that's how it works. That's yeah. So I was wondering because the cushion is RGB based. So where did I put it there? Put it back here. So I'm gonna throw this, throw that box, but not. Come on, go in. Yeah, I'm gonna let it there. Just unzip his virginity. Okay. So now let's put this in here and film it from there. Yep, it's done. Why does it want to turn? Stay put. Yeah. Throw that away. Throw that also away. Throw this fucking key away. Okay, so that's good. Okay, now, nice. Oh, we got 2 cables. Yeah, that's actually an improvement because the last time the other one was for a port and the RGB is connected. So I think the RGB is. Oh, can I remove this? No. I can remove it with the cushion. Oh, there's the cushion. Whoa, the cushion is so heavy. So here's the keyboard. That's tiny. Compare with my work. Oh my god. You actually have it. What the fuck? Oh. Man, that's nice. Look at that. So, that's the cable for the cushion because, long and behold, the cushion, there's RGB on it. Wait, let me cut this off with this. Oh, look at that cushion. And it is there. And you can see in this line here, you see that like glass formation? That's the LED part. So I think it's magnetic, I'm not sure. Oh, I can feel, oh my god, yep, it's magnetic. That's a strong magnet. Look at that. It's just hanging there. So what I like about this is I can control some volumes. So basically videos. There's better access and remove the thingy here. But this is better because it's in an English layout. And I prefer English layout because I grew up in Philippines. Then yeah, okay. I need to remove this cable. Wait, be right back. I'll be right back, guys. Okay. I'm not gonna clean this properly actually. It's too much. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Don't know anymore. So let's film this side now. So yeah, that's my keyboard that I'm playing. Duct tape, get out of there my phone, that's just my cables. Yep, that's my setup currently. There you could just record it infinitely. Yeah. Then, yeah, time to say goodbye to this keyboard. I might put it in my collection area because I have collections of old, basically there's collections there. I don't think the carton's down there somewhere. So I put it in there. It's like a display, like I'm gonna collect each keyboard that I owned. Like maybe because this is my new headset. this one, I use this for playing video games. This one I only use for like YouTube or like that. This one I like this because it's the Razer Nari, was it? Yeah, basically it has the coolest like headset, like it vibrates when someone shoots at you. So it was there. It was given as a Christmas present from my father. So now I'm gonna remove the cables of this keyboard. Yeah. So where is it? I think it's this one. Yep. See, there's no more number 4. It's all gone. Focus. I hate this. Hello. Focus. Yep, now it's focused. So my micro keys is gone. This thing is gone. You can see the remainder over here. So it's destroyed. That's yeah. So time to go. Remove the cable. Why is it stuck? Oops. Stuck with something. Is it? Yeah, it's go time. So we can just say this goodbye. This keyboard I've been using it for 2 years and it did good for me. Improve everything. I just realized, I remembered, there's no Razer anymore here. The magnets here doesn't work. Because I threw this keyboard before. So now it's time to go. So I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna clean this area for a minute. Just move everything to my mouse pad. This can just go scoot in there. So we have a clean desk. And it's out of focus again, as always. So now we have this thing here. It's actually smaller than I expected. But you can feel it's heavy like hell. So I'm not sure if you, wait, yeah, you can actually put it up. Yep, there's height thingy. I wanted to make it longer. Yep, that's good. Now is, and this is taking a while. We've been 13 minutes talking about this unboxing video. So open this quickly. What is this? Some cables here. Unplug both of them. Put it down. Yeah, this is also not my final setup because I'm moving upstairs. This room is too small for me. So we got it. So now we put it straight on the keyboard and let's see when I plug it in. So it's almost. I just need to scoot in. Ow! Where do I put it? 3.0? Yeah, well. Is it glowing? Because I'm not sure. Oh my god, it is glowing. Oh, downloading my synapses. Look at that. Wait. Look at that. Oh shit, it's glowing. Even the down. Look at that. Look at that bloody RGB. In a fucking thing, that's cool. Sorry for wobbling. Damn, that's so cool. Is it also early? Yeah, that's nice. This is what I like the most. I can control the cog. See? I can control it from here. What the fuck? That's nice. That's better actually. So yeah, now it's just a little bit dirty down here. I just don't be bothered about the cable management. And then there's my computer running at this hard disk. Man. You know what's bullshit about this? Look at that RGB fan. There's not even fucking lights on it. There's a controller node, but it for some reason doesn't work. And now you see the... Oh, okay guys. What the shit? Oh my god, I hate this. It doesn't want... It keeps turning around when I turn the cable. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And see you another video probably. Probably today. Or tomorrow. I'm gonna record a video today and upload it tomorrow. So yeah. Thank you again for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and please leave a like and enjoy the video. Bye bye.